Presenting BoAt newly launched Wave Call smartwatch in active black. It is also available in deep blue and mauve. The square 1.69 inches HD 2.5D curved touch display comes with 550 nits brightness in a size of 26 into 5 into 1 centimeters and weighs 45 grams. This Bluetooth calling smartwatch comes with 150 plus watch faces in a lightweight and ultra slim design. The IP68 water resistance makes it splash and sweat proof, thus making it ideal for outdoors and the gym. Monitor blood oxygen levels, heart rate, breathing and multiple sports modes. It features a built-in microphone, supports Google Health and Apple Health, and can save up to 10 phone contacts. The box contains the smartwatch, user manual, magnetic charging cable, wave call and warranty card.